So, bumili ako ng wedge. Tawag ba dito? Wedge sandals. Kasi I miss wearing wedges sandal. Wedges, ano man tawag dun? Basta wedge sandal, ayan. Ay, ito dumating na. Packaging, parang walang ano sila masyado. Parang diretso lang ipack, ayan. Pero kung sa bagay, hindi naman to nababasag. Okay lang. Ayan, ito pala yung na-miss kong suotin. So cute. Maganda to, lalo na pag naka-pants. The quality, yes, really good. The packaging, don't get me wrong, it's very like simple packaging. Pero, oh my goodness, the quality of these shoes, these sandals, it's adorable. Ayan, makikita nyo, close up. This is like a denim. Mayroon silang different color, like mayroon silang black. But I got the denim one because I can match this with the like mga kanang denim outfit ko. And I super gaan siya. So let's try. OMG! Taas ko balik ani. Yeah, I miss wearing this. Pero this is size, bagay lang. Hala, imagine na, ingan ako kataas. I'm gonna show you. So, that's how it looks. Ayan. Medyo okay naman yung pagkaano niya. Pagkatahi. And it looks durable. Hala, super cute. Ayan. Super cute. Ayan. So, this is how it looks. Ayan. Hala, sobrang ganda niya. Very comfy talaga. Very comfortable. Pero pero ka. Pero, I super love this. Ayan. Lalo na pag naka-pants. Ngayon, ni Moning, more inches.
Pag di ka mo gamit ako, nagkuha ko sa imong kwarto.
Super nice. I super love this. Don't forget, nasa yellow basket.